This is Mark Hewlett. I'm the proprietor of Kilmokea Country Manor and Gardens. It's a hidden island house which is open to the public for guests, bed, breakfast and dinner. But we also have gardens which are open to the public. One of the things we did recently was to put in solar panelling because our energy costs were quite high. And what we found is that we've reduced our energy bill by at least 50%. In the summer we hardly use any oil at all, and in the winter solar doesn't yet do the actual heating, but as far as the hot water is concerned it's been a brilliant development. We've actually put in 3 sets of solar panelling, 3 on the main house and 6 on the swimming pool, and it's the swimming pool which has been the most dramatic because obviously that's what we use during the summer period, and with the sun now we're not using actually any oil at all. We had approaches from a number of solar companies about putting solar panelling in here at Kilmokea Country Manor and Gardens, and we felt that with many of them they had terrific sales teams, but the after service was not really what we would expect. And we were delighted to come across Gerald O'Donoghue at Igneus, because he's an engineer who not only specialises in solar panelling but could explain exactly how the whole system worked. Not only that, his after service has been excellent, and that's very much what we bought into.
This is Gerald O'Donoghue, Engineering Director with Igneus. We recommended to Mark to install evacuated tube solar panels. The 6 solar panels are connected to a 1,500 litre combi cylinder which supplies the heating and hot water to his leisure centre. So how have you been finding their performance so far?
Well, the 6 panels on the swimming pool have made a huge difference. Not only are we using considerably less oil, but we're actually running the pool at a higher temperature because it's so efficient.
Well, now that the system is installed, how do you find it from a maintenance perspective?
Overall, we've been very, very happy with the service that's been provided by Igneus. But actually, we haven't really needed half the after-service care that we thought we might need because the actual system has run incredibly efficiently. And what we're finding is that on a good sunny day like today, the temperature that the water is running at is actually higher than when the level it used to be when we had the old oil-based system running in the summer.
It's 11 o'clock in the morning and the solar panels are 56 degrees and the temperature in the cylinder is 47 degrees. During this good weather, the solar panels are providing the pool with all of its heat. He uses absolutely no oil.
But as far as the hot water is concerned, it's been a brilliant development.
We are an Irish company specialising in providing the top range of solar panels. Igneus are a renewable engineering company who supply Kloben evacuated tube direct flow panels. These are supplied to trade, who we provide a backup service to, which eliminates all technical problems arising at installation and commissioning stages. So if you want the best both in quality and service, then feel free to contact us.